This year marks the 234th birthday of the U.S. Constitution, arguably the world's longest surviving written charter of government that begins with the words, "We the people."
And we have been giving out copies of the Constitution to people in the library and in around the neighborhood of the Tremont Library.
In celebration, the League of Women Voters of the City of New York have been canvassing businesses around the library, like this barbershop here and this local bodega, and along Tremont Avenue. Francis Wilson is manager of the Tremont Library, hosting the event.
It is a reminder to everyone what America stands for, and the Constitution is a great set of ideals for all of our leaders.
And this year, in a pandemic, they're also supplying the document electronically. All you have to do is scan a barcode and access the language you'd like to get it in.
We have English and Spanish, simplified Chinese, Korean, French, and Arabic. Wow. And anyone can look at the QR codes and they can get our wonderful Constitution in a language that they can easily read and understand.
Read and understand the document signed by 39 people, including George Washington and James Madison, who would later become presidents.
Our biggest thrust, of course, is to get people to register and vote. We also do a lot of work with civics education.
Along with this, the League of Women Voters for the City of New York host informational Zoom meetings addressing topics such as the census, the women's suffrage movement, gender equity, immigration, citizenship, and more.
Many people are very interested in the Constitution itself, reading what it truly says to try and really understand how it affects us, and that it is a living, breathing document that is alive and well today for everyone.
To register to vote online in New York, you can go to vote.org. And for more information on the League for Women Voters, you can go to lwvnyc.org. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Mukoko.